Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a payment method from your Doordash account. Let's start by logging into your Doordash account on the website. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon in the top left of the screen. Click on Payment to go to your saved payment methods. Here you will see a list of all your saved payment methods. To remove a payment method, simply click on the trash icon next to the card you want to delete. If you have more than one card, you want to set a new default card, click the three dots next to the card you would like to set as default. Your default card will now be updated and the chosen card will have a check mark next to it. If you are using the Doordash app, follow these steps to remove a payment method. Tap the icon in the top right corner and then select payment methods on Android or payment on iOS. Scroll down to see saved payment methods. To remove a payment, slide the card you want to delete to the left until it's removed. It's basically the same steps. Then again, if you have more than one payment method, tap the card you would like to set as default and a check mark will appear. So that's it. You have now removed your old payment method and set a new default card if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.